Hi everyone, welcome to my second video. Okay, as I said in my first video, we are going to learn so many things from my channel. So now let's learn about Flash animation or Animate CC. Okay, whatever version you have, you can use it. Either you can download from Google, or if you have money, you can purchase the original software for learning purpose. It will be comes around below 25,000 rupees. So it's a very useful one. You can do anything in animation. Even lots of animation productions are done by this Flash software. So right now it's an advanced version called Animate CC. So I'm using uh, Flash CS6. Okay. Okay. Now let's learn about the tools first. Before learning tools, I will just explain about this overall UI, right? So whatever you are watching, this white area, this is the work area. Okay, whatever you guys are drawing or animating, everything you are going to do inside this. That means only this area is visible to everyone. That means for audience. Okay, so this is work area, this is timeline. You are going to draw keyframes and you are going to animate, adjusting time, all these things you are going to do it here. This is main tools. Okay, to draw object, to create characters, to color, fill color or erase color, change the size, everything we can do it. Adding text like that, everything we can do it from here. Apart from that, we have so many other options like properties, library, and align, the colors, everything is there. Anyway, we will learn one by one, no problem. Okay. Now let's see about the tools, the main tools. Okay. See, all these options like tools, properties, even library, everything is available here in this window, under the window. So if you want properties, you can just click it, so automatically it will appear. If you want tools, toolbars, so whatever you want, you can just click it, it will appear here. Okay, so let's create a new file. How to create a new file? See, file, you are going to create a new one, and here there are lots of templates like already uh, available templates here. So you can choose like for animation or banners, so all default sizes are available, you can choose. Otherwise you can click this general one and you can create your own custom based file size based on your project. You can fix it file size here. Roughly mine is 1020 720. It's in pixels. I'm going to animate in 12 fps. I will explain you later, no problem. And the white round, I mean the background is white, and the auto save, like every 10 minutes it will save. Either you can change timing here also. If you make a default, if you click this, then whatever file you are opening for the upcoming scenes, it will open with the same document size. So you just click OK. Now I created my file. Okay, let's see tools. The first tool, like selection tool. So what is that selection tool? See, if you have an drawing or objects, okay, so you drawn an object. To select what is that? So you have to select this selection tool and drag that object, and you can easily select, place it wherever you want, select, right? So here when you see flash, when I zoom in, you can able to see whatever I draw, it will come with fill color and outline. Okay, so to change the outline color, see here the second option, you can choose any color. And here in this properties, See the stroke thickness of your outline. You can do it from here. So suppose I want around 8 point thickness, right? So here you can change your outline and choose this ink bottle tool to change your outline color, or you can select that outline and here you can choose any color. That's up to you. Same like fill color. See now right now it's in black, so I'm going to choose some other color. And here the paint bucket tool, just fill it, right? So change some bright color and you can fill it. Change some, if you want you can use some bright colors or whatever color you want, you can do it like this. Okay, so the first tool is clear now. So what about the second tool? Suppose you are making in a curve, you need a some kind of in a curve over here. So what you do, you have a selection tool. Just move your mouse to closer to this outline. Automatically see you got one curve tool. Just make a curve. Then what about this, the second tool? See, once you made a curve, sometimes maybe this curve is not proper. Okay, for that, see, you can click this tool, click that joint point, and you can make some nice curves. Exactly. See, right now my curve is much better. Okay. So once you've done it, now I need to resize this. Suppose it is looks like in a bigger one. So I'm selecting this, the third tool called free transform tool, right? See, under the third tool, there is a small arrow. In some few tools like this box, under this box, we have a small arrow. That means we have some sub tools for this transform tool. Okay, I selected transform tool. Now see, I'm just changing my size or heights, or I can able to rotate. So all these things are possible from this free transform tool. When I click this free transform, there are other few options. Like suppose you are doing some kind of perspective. So then you can use this perspective tool. See, perspective tool, you can use it. Or if you want make more interesting views, suppose some curves. See, all all these are possible from this tool. Okay, so the first three tools I hope now is very clear for you. Now I'll go for the next one. So you wanted to delete this object, you can easily press delete button, right? Now I have a line tool. See, line tool, I wanted to make curve, then immediately go to the selection tool, go closer to this line, and you can do the changes. If you want some nice curves, smoothness, you can add this from the second tool, right? So these three tools are very clear now. Now, see, this is a layers timeline. This is layers. Whatever layer you want, how many layers you want, you can easily create. If you don't want, select all the unwanted layer and delete it, right? Why we need this layer? See, when I talk about some uh, drawing, right? Suppose you have some drawings. Let's draw. See, this is brush tool. I will explain you later. Don't worry. Suppose I have some background, right? Above this, I have some drawings, right? So the one guy is standing, right? Okay. Now what happened? I wanted to move this character, only the character, not the background. Okay. So now see, I drawn everything in one layer, right? If I move this character, it will come along with the backgrounds. See, if I move this character, it is coming along with the background. To avoid that, we are doing a layer wise. Like background is one layer. Now the background is one layer. You are creating one more layer and you are drawing your character or objects, the same character, right? You are drawing same character. Suppose now you wanted to move this character. See, you can select only the character and you can move, resize, you can change the placement. So whatever you want, you can do it from here, right? Why? Because we are animating this background with the different timing and characters with the different timing. So we have a variations between these two objects. So definitely we need a two layers. See, the one layer is character, another layer is background. So this is how we are going to play around with these layers, and the timelines and all I'm going to teach you later. Okay. So I hope first three tools are very clear now, and you are clear about this line tool also. Now let's see the brush tool. Okay. See, when I click the brush, automatically sub tools like shape of the brush. See, this is circle and this is size of the brush. See, the different size, right? Here I can change it to the shape. This is, see, compared to this is different shape, right? You can delete this if you don't want. If you want to change the color, you can change it. Now you can use this brush tool, draw some simple image. Like, you can draw whatever you like. So I will change the brush size and the shape of the brush, and I'm going to draw some drawings. See, simply you can draw any kind of drawing with this brush tool, right? See, you can draw. So looks like in water, right? You can add some edges. So like that, you can add even color also, right? Color also. So everything you can do it from this brush tool. So once you've done it, see, you can click this brush tool because this is in a rough drawing. You create one more layer, lock this layer. See, you lock this layer. That means we can't move this layer. This is just in a reference now. You can click it, use this brush tool. I mean a line tool, okay, with the different color. So suppose I need a black. So you can easily draw the object, reduce the size of the brush. Maybe I need a 3 points, black color, right? So you can easily draw this object. See, you can draw this objects using only with the straight line and curve lines, right? See, simply you can draw. So, right? Or else if you want to use this same brush strokes for your animation, still you can use it. That is not a problem because that is up to your style. What kind of style you are using, based on the style you can do your drawing, either brush stroke or line tool. So whatever it is, right? See, simply you can draw, and still you can fill the colors, choose some colors, what kind of color you want, you can fill it. To fill this color, you must close the gaps, right? Close the gaps, fill it. See, now it is not filling. Why? Because there are few gaps are there. When you zoom in, you can find out. See, i I will close this line, just close in a reference drawing. See, this joint is not closed properly. See, the joint is not closed properly. So close it. Same like wherever you have that, see this joint also, see this joint also not closed properly. So you can close it properly, right? So here also see, because you are drawing in a bigger size, when you zoom in only, you can able to see the joints are closed or not. Now see the line tool, okay? And we have a one more option. Select this, whatever you drawn, okay? You are going to fill the color, right? When you click this paint bucket, automatically one more sub option is here appear. So click that, you can see close large gaps. That means wherever the large gaps are there, it will automatically close. Select that, click it. Now you can see, you can able to fill the color, some dark color inside you need. Yes. And you have a color, see, like this. You can choose your color, fill the objects, right? Fill the objects. So like that, easily you can fill it and finish your drawing. Anyway, we will learn in separate video about this, how to create simple characters with the line tool or brush tool, right? So the brush tool is clear now. This is same like in a pencil tool. You can use it for draw, right? When you click this pencil tool, automatically there are few sub tools. See, straighten. So if you draw a little curve also, it will convert little straighten. And this is smooth. If you draw a little straight also, it will convert like a smooth drawing. The last one, ink. Whatever you draw, it will appear here, right? This is erase. Erase tool. See, you can erase. When I click erase tool, automatically there are few sub tools, right? Size of the eraser, and there is a, see, erase normal. Normal means it will erase normally. The next one, erase lines. See, it will erase only the line. See, only the line is erased, not this fill color. Erase fills. See here, the line is there. I am erasing only the fill color. So these kind of options are there in this eraser tool. Anytime you can switch off. See, this is right now what happens. The black is the outline, I mean the line color. The brown color is your fill color. Anytime you can rearrange or switch from a line to fill color or fill to a line color, right? So this is an eyedropper tool to select your color. It's a kind of an ink tool, okay? This is normal one. You can easily identify through this picture. See, it's like an ink. You have to click that whatever color you want, automatically the color will selected over here, right? So I hope now the tools are clear. So with this exercise, you can create some simple object in Flash and try to upload your drawings in my comment box. Okay, thanks for watching. Let's see the next class. We are going to learn more about timeline or how to draw some simple drawings. Okay, so enjoy the day. Thanks for joining and thanks for watching.